Introduction. Welcome to our video on 3D printing, a revolutionary technology that is transforming various industries and enabling us to turn ideas into tangible objects. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of 3D printing, its applications, and the incredible possibilities it offers. 1. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that involve subtracting or shaping materials, 3D printing allows for precise and customizable creations. 2. How does 3D printing work? The process of 3D printing involves several key steps. First, a digital 3D model of the object is created using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This model serves as the blueprint for the printing process. The file is then sent to the 3D printer. 3. Types of 3D printing technologies. There are several different types of 3D printing technologies available, each with its own unique approach. Some common types include fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, selective laser sintering, SLS, and digital light processing, DLP. Each technology has its own advantages and is suitable for different applications. 4. Materials used in 3D printing. 3D printers can work with a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, ceramics, and even bioinks for medical applications. The choice of material depends on the desired properties of the final object, such as strength, flexibility, or heat resistance. 5. Applications of 3D printing. 3D printing has revolutionized various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, architecture, and fashion. It allows for rapid prototyping, customized production, and the creation of complex geometries that were previously impossible. From creating intricate jewelry designs to building functional prosthetic limbs, the possibilities are endless. 6. Advantages and limitations of 3D printing. 3D printing offers numerous advantages, such as reduced waste, increased design flexibility, and cost-effective production for small-scale batches. However, it also has some limitations, including limited size capabilities, slower production speeds compared to traditional manufacturing, and the need for post-processing to achieve desired finishes. 7. Future of 3D printing. The future of 3D printing looks incredibly promising. Researchers are exploring new materials, improving printing technologies, and pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved. From printing human organs for transplantation to constructing buildings using large-scale 3D printers, the possibilities for innovation are truly exciting. Conclusion. 3D printing has undoubtedly revolutionized the way we create and manufacture objects. Its versatility, customization capabilities, and growing accessibility make it an integral part of various industries. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more remarkable advancements that will shape our future. Closing. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of 3D printing. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into this incredible technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time.